Hi, my name is Ruth Kopich, and I have just finished being a patient at Dynamic Physical Therapy here on Broadway in Massapequa. And I first came here because I was suffering, literally, from TMJ syndrome. And after being diagnosed with that from the neurologist associated with the practice here, I've been recommended to come for several weeks upon my own discretion how I was feeling after each week, for ultrasound, massage, exercises, all in particular to this syndrome that I had. And I must say that I was always treated with respect, very gently, and after each visit, and doing exercises at home, I began to see that my visits would not be too far, the end of them too far ahead of me. So all in all, everything here was clean, professional, and Isha took really good care of me. And I did like the way the whole practice with other patients was conducted. So I hereby recommend to anyone that is in need of any service covered by physical therapy, I would certainly recommend Isha and the practice here. And if anything comes about with myself, I will certainly be a patient again.